Hi guys, do you want to know how I made this beautiful balloon bouquet? If you do, please stick around and I will show you how.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Family and we're glad to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful flower bouquet inside our Boboballoon. So all the materials that we use here will be in the description down below. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed as of yet, please subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow. So I got the flowers here. All you have to do is put them all together like that. Arrange them in place. This is actually a bouquet of flowers, but I tore them apart. I separate them and I arrange it my way. There, so I got them all in one hand. So this time I'll use 260 balloon. Just wrap this on here. Then once I got it tied up, I'm gonna spread them to get the volume that I wanted. And there you go, it's already arranged. So now we'll cut this with our cutter. Cut them in the same length. So they're about the same. Just like that. Now these edges right here, the sharp edges, we'll cover it with duct tape. There. So it won't poke your balloon. So this time we'll cover this with our 7 inches balloon. I will double it just to be safe. So the reason why you put this here so the air won't leak out going to your stem. And then after you do this, you use another 260 balloon just for support. So this time, we'll put this on the side. So we need our 24 inches Boboballoon. So before you inflate this, you want to make sure you stretch so it's nice and round. So now I got it stretched, so we'll fill this with air. Just hold it like that so it's nice and even. That's good, and then release the air. So this time we will cut the edge right here, right on the contour, so we can put our flower bouquet inside the balloon. Alright, so this time we'll make a cut right on the edge. We get the opening here. So now we can put our bouquet right in here. There you go, it's inside. So now it's time to reseal the Boboballoon. So it's time to seal our Boboballoon. So I use our heat sealer and I set it to 3.5 on the dial. So you want to line up the sim. So it looks like I got it all sealed. It's time to see if it worked. Just add some air. And you can check if there's air that comes out. So it looks like it's sealed. So don't worry about the thing here. You can always cut the edges here. And later it will stretch anyway, so that will be gone. Okay, so it looks like nothing there, so we're good. Alright, so just like that, just check, make sure no air is coming out. Looks like nothing, it looks good. So now we'll continue on, we'll put more air. That should be good. So now I need another 260 balloon. I will put it here. Make sure I wrap this so no air will leak. And I tie it. And there goes your flower inside your Boboballoon. Isn't that nice? So now you need this. This is your floral foam. So the air won't leak out here because you have your 7 inches balloon right here. So it's not going to your stem. So if you really want to make sure that it's nice and sealed, so just seal the nozzle right here, just so you're safe. So now if there's leak, it's not going out because it's now sealed. All right, so we'll put this inside our floral foam. What I do, because this is nice and soft, I punch a hole right here. Just so enough where you can put this inside. Okay, right, so there's the hole. So it's just enough where you can put this in right there. So before we put this in here, we will use our clear tape. Wrap this with clear tape. And then punch a hole again. So now we can put this in here. Inside that hole. So I want to tape this here so it's securely attached to your base. Just like that, it's attached. Okay, so now we have our flower bouquet wrapping paper. This is actually waterproof. The first one right here, you fold it. See, if you look up in front, it will be like that. So you put this on here. So you want this higher. So I want it that way. So I have a long clear tape. Just tape this here and then wrap it around. That's done. Another one. Just continue on the same thing until you cover the whole balloon, the base of the balloon. So this time I'm gonna put on this side. As you can see, I get shorter and shorter. Ain't that nice, guys? So once you're done, give it a little close to the edge right here, close to your balloon. So I'll put little tape. Support them all up like that. Same thing on this side. Extra support with your tape. Just like that. So now to cover the tape, you need 2 more. there you go. Ain't that beautiful? So just tape this here. So now put this here. Just put it right here. Wrap it around. So there it's covered. Alright, so this time we add a bow for the final touch. So we have this. You just have to do this way. So again, you need tape. And there you go, it's finally done. This is our flower bouquet inside the Boboballoon. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like it, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. And once again, this is FamilyNY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.